in a choir? Have you missed singing? How about entering Wales's foremost choral competition? The tension. The jubilation. If your choir has 20 members or more, then we'd love to hear from you. There are 5 categories in the competition: children's choirs, youth choirs, mixed choirs, equal voice choirs, and show choirs. We'll be recording choirs across Wales at the end of November, when choirs need to perform 6 to 8 minutes of music. Then 5 category finals in Aberystwyth mid-February, and each choir that reaches the semi-finals will receive £500, with the winner of the category taking away £1,500. The judges will then choose the 5 best choirs from the semi-finals to proceed to the final in Aberystwyth on April the 3rd, with a top prize of £4,000. There's a prize for the best conductor and an award for the best performance by a choir that doesn't reach the final. And the winner of Cor Cymru has gone on to represent Wales at the Eurovision Choir competition. A unique opportunity for all Welsh choirs.